bersyukur nak Shim jong unongsan Hima.
Kinongelam ke United Democratic Party mentakasngi kili ya kenduk lang banyak keren sani bah ke bedai ka rai jong ke Regional Democratic Alliance ke bakintup ya ke United Democratic Party bat ke Hill State People's Democratic Party. Habaya keren berkinong tok hubor hadin ke jingelang nakali yang oba Metbah lingdo Presiden ke UDP uriat hu bakas sing kalaya keren hakabaya day bat ke election Lok Sabha kaban long haus 6 banwan kata haus 6 arjar arpusa kala menjuru ya ke State Election Committee ke komiti ke bakerpang ke banyatai Halor ke jing penkre ya ke election MP badru ya ke member of District Council shishu hakabaya day bat Kyrtong MP Natura constituency ubak Metbah uliyat hu bakas sing kala aibor yaki nongelam ki badai Negaro Hills ban pen Halor kani ula bendrap dulu dekat baong bau Kyrtong MP ubakin penyang kin Shim rai lang bat ke Hspdp
Mentasi yo ya ka CC juga parti bat haka CC baroki members boy nilai Shim ya ka rai mentasi haka bedi bat ka jingedai jong ka UDP bat ka Hspdp apo ka Regional Democratic Alliance manang penskam bat ya ka bagi lo judge kemat ka meeting ke bangila yo jong ka Hspdp ka dia ka nyong ka November ada bulan tentang sini ka wika sur parti ka judge kemat ya ka bat dulu ni ki kamu jong ka ade ka bedai bat ka MP election ru ka ladang penjing grand ka ba ka ni ka election pemerintah kandon ka jadi dekat nak kalian jong ka Hspdp bat ka UDP nak ka banta jadi MP election ka ba sayo haunus jam buat nak ka banta ka Tura parliamentary seat pada ni kumkasi isi mentakasi kala komiti ya ka komiti jangka parti dekat bat kat pada ingat ki senior leaders jangka parti na Hills bahkan sesiong ban angkat hak abadi bat KMP election nak tak susu hak abadi bat ka CC mentakasi kala approve ya ka State Election Committee nak banta ka MP election bat kunjuru nak banta ka MDC election de Halor kini i dan kiwe ki member ki bade ki president ki secretary jong respective districts ki ba jero ki khot bawan ki kam duwe na kabanta ki do ki constituency ki ba ha kawe ki district de ni numpat dan gunung nuji kan bagi pat kandidat dai ino ha ka start jong ka State Election Committee nak kabanta ka jingjit yaki Kyrtong maka diperkat hak abadi ba kandidat jong parti te nang ta susu kala CC lu kala ai ka election maka mentabaro ki district bagi circle ba kim nang pentelun cakamat yaki kam jong parti ban penklan nak kapor ba ka juku por ban pindi kenapa di long ki wala kloy ban ikun ya election lada kawan haka dulu po di kalau don gaji keren haka bade bat performance wing di iba on swing bani president jongka performance wing ila ai ya kajin pakai kinda bade na banta kani bat ila bu ba ka meeting jongka performance wing kan long haka tayo ko bani ko jong nai no pra December araja kita kilong ki rai ki ba na kalian jong kapati Shim taksi
the candidate for the upcoming MP election from Shillong in particular?
Yeah, of course. In fact, from time to time, we always invite and call all the regional parties to come together and to work with us as the party. And but from time to time, Hspdp is the only party so far that we have been working together for many years. And we hope and believe that we will continue in the days and years to come. And at the same time, we also extend our invitation to other regional parties, like-minded parties also, to come together and be under the banner of the RDA.
When UDP will this candidation?
We will try to take a call as early as possible.
Aduh mentah kat nungut ibu pan tiket na ke UDP ke Bynta election nanti.
Si kumba mentah dan bon kibala ya penpau pensnow ya ka egajing ang no pagajing kwa kiban contest ya ka election. Mulai ya ka ni ka mentah pa nang i no ha state election committee bagan syong ban yai ban proses ya ka nak mentah ban finally order. As I have mentioned just now, that as early as possible, so this is one of the immediate meetings which will be held as far as this process of selection of the candidate.
Will you also approach or request the LPP to also support your candidate, because in the last MP election also we have seen that you all are working together, so
That is yet to be discussed, and we have not, but there's no anybody who would like to extend their willingness to support their party. You're most welcome.
Boleh ke UDP kam approach biang baik ya ke MDA government bahkan wanra ya consensus candidate?
No, in fact, now it's a call from the party. So that was the decision that we have made. So we will go with that.
That when it's MP election, people usually go for the national party, saying that from Delhi it happens everything. This time around, how do you think? What are the chances of the regional forces?
Well, this time I see it will be different. It will be different. I think, well, end of the day, we have to look into the picture in a bigger way, right? So my personal kind of assumption is that I could see that this time people will definitely give regional party a chance. That is one, and it all depends on the right candidate that we put in. I'm not saying that we had wrong candidates in all the past, but what I mean to say here that this time really people have realized after so many elections that we have had for many times. I think this time people have realized. I mean, I have interacted with so many people from all walks of life, so they have expressed their confidence level with the UDP this MP election this time.
if all MDA partners they contest the MP election, it will only give plus point to the sitting Congress MP. What do you have to say?
But see, as far as anticipation is concerned, that is merely an anticipation. So it may be right and it may be wrong. One cannot assure that with that it will work like this, and with or without it will not work. So the question of that does not, I think, doesn't make sense much of that. We have our own way of working. So I think what we feel this time that what we are doing, I think we are in the right track. As far as that is concerned, I think we don't want to talk anything about other political parties. But our strength is that UDP has been there for many years. And people have had the confidence with UDP for so long. I'm very sure that this time, after what has happened in the last MLA election, I think people will realize that UDP is the only party that they will be there.
How many candidates so far have approached your party?
No, for Garo Hills we don't have yet, but we have entrusted it to the against state election committee with the co-op of those senior leaders from the friends from senior leaders from the party from Garo Hills. Hakabab minta kalong ba kajing ite yung kalong bangin beteng ya ke bangin la juete beros kata apo ka ADA ka Hspdp bat ka UDP tina kapor sa kapor kidan sibun ki agenda sibun ki kam ki bangi haban tikau ti yaman tahi ka de na kamanta ka MP election bagang scam ba kiwi ki banbur adin ru kinyalok na haka joka lenti.
So with
Now the matter is left with the state election committee and at the same time with the Hspdp also, and in consultation with all the stakeholders, decision will be taken together with Hspdp.